Hey there, pet lovers. Have you noticed your furry friend trembling during a thunderstorm or hiding when fireworks go off? You're definitely not alone. Many pets struggle with loud noises, but today, we'll explore effective ways to help them feel safe and secure. Understanding why your pet fears loud noises is crucial. These sounds can trigger anxiety, leading to stress and even harmful behaviors. By helping your pet overcome these fears, you not only improve their quality of life but also strengthen the bond you share. 1. This involves gradually introducing your pet to scary sounds in a controlled environment. Start with softer noises and slowly progress to louder ones, teaching them that these sounds aren't threats. 2. Jumping straight into loud noises can overwhelm your pet. Begin by playing recordings of thunder or fireworks at a low volume, increasing it gradually as they become more comfortable. 3. Ensure your pet has a cozy area where they can feel secure during loud noises, like a bed in a quiet room or a crate filled with their favorite blanket. 4. Reward your pet with treats or praise when they remain calm during these sounds. This helps them associate loud noises with positive experiences. 5. Regular practice is essential. Dedicate a few minutes each day to the desensitization process, as consistency leads to better results. Step 1. Find a sound recording of thunder or fireworks. Step 2. Play it at a very low volume while engaging your pet in play or giving them a treat. Step 3. Gradually increase the volume over several sessions as they seem more comfortable. Step 4. Create a safe space with their favorite toys and blankets. Step 5. Practice this regularly and reward calm behavior. One common mistake is rushing the process. If your pet shows signs of distress, lower the volume or take a step back. It's important to go at your pet's pace. What works for one may not work for another. Helping your pet conquer their fear of loud noises can truly transform your relationship. Remember to be patient and consistent. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pet care tips. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other. 1. https www.example1.com 2. https www.example2.com 3. https www.example3.com Hey there, pet parents. Do your furry friends get anxious during thunderstorms or fireworks? You're definitely not alone. Let's team up to ease that fear with some simple techniques. Loud noises can be really scary for pets, leading to stress and anxiety. Knowing how to help them can make those tense moments much easier to handle. Plus, a calmer pet means a happier home for everyone. 1. Pets often don't realize that loud noises are harmless. This fear can lead to destructive behavior, hiding, or even aggression. It's important to tackle this anxiety early. 2. Desensitization involves slowly introducing your pet to frightening sounds in a controlled way, helping them learn that loud noises aren't something to fear. 3. Ensure your pet has a cozy, quiet spot to retreat to when they're scared, like a snug corner with their favorite blanket or a special bed. 4. Start by playing recordings of loud noises at a low volume. Gradually increase the volume as your pet becomes more comfortable, making it a positive experience with treats and praise. 5. Every pet is unique. Some may adjust quickly, while others might take a bit longer. Be patient and consistent in your approach. 1. Create a calm environment for your pet. 2. Use sound recordings of fireworks or thunder at a low volume. 3. Gradually increase the volume while rewarding your pet with treats. 4. Pay attention to their reactions and ease off if they seem too stressed. 5. Repeat this process regularly until you notice improvement. Avoid rushing the process. Pushing your pet too hard can increase their anxiety. Also, don't leave them alone during loud events. Stay with them and offer comfort. Helping your pet overcome their fear of loud noises takes time, but it's absolutely worth it. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more pet care advice. 1. https www.petent.com 2. https www.akc.org 3. https www.asbca.org. Hey there, pet lovers! Does your furry friend dash under the bed when fireworks start? You're not alone. Today, I'm sharing a simple method to help your pet conquer that fear in just 5 days. Loud noises, like fireworks and thunderstorms, can really stress our pets, leading to long-term anxiety and behavioral issues. Learning how to support them during these moments can enhance their quality of life and strengthen your bond. 1. This gradual process involves exposing your pet to scary noises at a low level, helping them get used to it without feeling overwhelmed. 2. Use recordings of fireworks or thunderstorms at a very low volume. Play it softly while your pet is relaxed and engaged in a favorite activity. 3. Over the days, slowly raise the volume a bit. This approach builds your pet's confidence and reduces their fear response. 4. While the sounds are playing, give your pet treats or play their favorite game. This helps create a positive association with the noise. 5. Make this a daily routine for 5 days. Regular practice helps your pet learn that the noise isn't something to fear. 1. Choose a calm area in your home where your pet feels safe. 2. Look for gentle recordings of fireworks or storms online. 3.